Today we're checking out the 6-inch iStep running boards in black for the 2019 and newer Ranger Super Cruise. If you want a wider, more confident stepping surface and a rugged side protection option without sacrificing the fit or ground clearance, this is a strong option that's definitely worth checking out. These boards deliver a full 6-inch wide stepping surface, so you've got solid footing whether you're loading gear, helping kids climb in and out, or just got a dog trying to hop in the cab with you. The corrugated surface gives you a strong foothold no matter what the elements bring you, from rain to snow and muddy conditions. Because it's built specifically for the Ranger Super Crew, these mounting points are going to line up exactly with the Ranger's factory mounting points for an easy install process, and if you stick with me, we'll show you that install just here in a minute. Now when it comes to the construction on these boards are made from stainless steel and coated with a long-lasting black powder coat finish for that corrosion resistance to last you the long haul. The 6-inch wide steps have this ribbed tread for traction that runs the entire length, so anywhere you put your foot out, it's gonna have a strong hold. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that $300 price range. That is a solid value when you factor in full-length boards sized for your truck that mount right into those factory locations, and they give you a premium finished look. When it comes to the install on this, it's gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this job done in 1 hour of your time if everything goes smooth. Now let's head on out to the shop. We're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how these get installed on the Ranger.
For this install, you'll need a ratchet, a 16 and a 13mm socket. Today we're going to be installing running boards on our Ranger. Let's get into it. First, we're going to install the brackets for the running boards. So you're going to need to find 2 brackets that look like this and 1 bracket that looks like this. The one that looks like this is going to go towards the front. So when we mount it, we're going to mount it like that because we're going to flip it over and attach it to the truck. So first we want to get these brackets and we're going to slide them in. So when we slide these in, you're going to twist it like that. But before we do that, we want to make sure that we grab our hardware from the bag that's labeled B. You're going to put that on like that. Same thing with this one. Line it up with the square. We'll just tilt it like that. We're going to do this with the other 2 as well. So next, we're going to take our flat washers. We want to place them all over the studs. Same thing with the ones over here. Just place them over the studs. Once we have our studs and our inner brackets in, we're going to take our outer bracket. We want to lift it up. We'll take our supplied washers with the kit, put them over the studs. Take our supplied locking nuts, we'll thread them on just like that. Then you're going to want to do this same process with the other brackets. After that, we're going to take a 13mm socket and a ratchet. We just want to snug these down because once we get this mounted to the truck, we're going to slide this running board so that it's even with the truck. Because if we tighten these down now, then we put it on the truck, we're going to have to loosen these anyway to slide the running board to mount it the way we want it to. Then complete the same process with the other brackets. Now that it's all put together, I'm going to set this on the ground so we can install it on the truck. Now we're going to put the running boards onto the truck. So we're going to use our supplied hardware, and for that we're going to use the lock washer and a flat washer. Lock washer goes on first, then flat washer. And we can just screw it in by hand first. Then complete the same process with the other bracket. Now we're going to tighten down the bolts well, these bolts at least, we're not going to tighten down the lower ones yet. We're going to take a 16 millimeter socket and a ratchet and tighten them down. Do the same process with the other brackets and bolts. So now we're going to adjust our board. Right where I have it is fine, but if yours isn't lined up where you want it, you would just slide it like that. We're going to put it here, and to tighten it down, we're going to use a 13 millimeter socket and a ratchet. We're going to go after these bolts right here. Once you've completed the process on this bracket, do the same with the other ones.
That's going to wrap it up for our review and install of the 6-inch iStep running boards in black for your 2019 and newer Ranger Super Crew models. For all things Ranger, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.